I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going.
Good morning, guys. It's Honesty. Thank you for clicking on my video. So this is a get ready with me video. Today's actually Sunday, so happy Sunday. I'm going to a breakfast event, so I'm just gonna get ready with my makeup. And so yeah, just come along with me, guys. Also, I kind of do my makeup in reverse sometimes. It's not all the time. So basically, you know, just wash my face, brush my teeth, get ready on the upper part of my body. I haven't showered yet, so I will do half of my face first, and then I go shower, and then after I finish shower, I finish my face. Weird? No, it's not, but you know, it depending on you how you get ready. So this is how I get ready sometimes. So stay tuned, and I hope you watch this video to the end. Alright, so y'all, so I have eczema balm, so I normally just moisturize my face with this. This is not going to be a talk through video because I'm running late. So yeah, but regarding my makeup now, I hope I haven't worn makeup in a while. I haven't bought any new makeup in a while too, so I'm not sure if hopefully my makeup is not dark and stuff. I did wash my brushes yesterday just in case, because I know my makeup needs to be changed. I'm not gonna do like a crazy thing. I'm not gonna do any lashes. I haven't put on any lashes in a while too. So yeah, it's a breakfast event. I don't want to put on a lot of makeup and stuff because I don't like I'm not sure if I have any setting spray and stuff like that, because like I said, I haven't worn makeup in a while. Haven't bought anything in a while, so I don't even know where half my stuff is. So hopefully I'm just gonna try to make my makeup okay for the sun for today. I don't even have any sunscreen. Like, that's how bad my makeup kit is. I don't even have a makeup kit. But anyways, we're gonna get right into the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Crazy wave, yeah, crazy, yeah.
Yo, I didn't even get to shave my brows. Like, well, I wasn't ready to shave them because I need them to grow a little bit more, and then I can shave them. So they're looking kind of crazy, but we're gonna try to use a concealer. I know you guys can't hear me because of the fan.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart.
The lies. Morning. Thanks.
Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Se acaba, se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Pero tenerte a mi lado para mí es una razón. Muy feliz de que presente.
the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Go, 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 shade us. No, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning.
Hey beautiful people, it's Honesty and appreciate you for clicking on my video. So it's a Saturday and it's happy hour Saturday, so I'm heading to Regency Bar to have some nice cocktail and stuff like that. If you don't know where Regency Bar is, it's located at the Terra Nova Hotel, and that's one of my favorite places to hang out. Regency Bar, like it's probably my top 2 places to hang out and eat food and have drinks. Yeah, they never miss. Okay, they never miss. The food, the drink, Bob, recommend there always. So I'm gonna head there to have happy hour, like I said, and some wings. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Also, I went to a breakfast party last week. I may just add that vlog before this because I went there first. So you guys will see that I went to a breakfast party. That was fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. So appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, subscribe please if you haven't, and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Okay, your girl are going with things. Home girl is going on with things. I know I really need to put in the work to really upload at least once per week. Is really hard, but I'm gonna put in the work. I have to put in the work if I want to, you know, continue this thing. So I'll see you guys at Regency, and thank you again for watching. There will be music in there, but it's not gonna be loud. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do much talking, but you guys will see the food and the drink and all of them. Some of there $500 2-for-1 drinks that they have, and the wings gonna have probably a platter or the plate. I don't know yet, but you guys will see what I'm gonna eat. I'll see you later.
Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Siempre se acaba y se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte a mi lado pa' mí es una razón. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiéndote. Hace meses que no nos hemos visto, pero no quiero aceptar la realidad. Que lo que siento cuando echamos un polvo rico no es nada más que temporada. Acércate, baby, que quiero sentir tu piel. Yo no estoy rompiéndolo si se está en pareja, pero hoy va a ser un día. Sé que estamos ahí, estoy puesto para entrar, yeah. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo, pero tenerte en mi cama pa' mí es una razón. Mantenemos viva la ilusión, mami. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiéndote. Toma bonita, si sé la posición. Ese cuerpito siente la presión.
Wix by Grey. This is a good brand. Guys, if you love candle and you don't know what to buy or which brand to buy, come in Fontana and buy this brand, Wix by Grey. Like, it's one of the best smelling candles ever, and it's very affordable. What, 2.8 something plus tax? Like, and I have this candle and it really smell up my entire house, and it's just one candle. So I recommend these people. Whoever own this brand, kudos to you, y'all. I really love it. Oh, nice. And they have the linen mist. Love this brand. Recommend it. Recommend Wix by Grey, guys. Hey beautiful people, what's going on? So I'm actually in Fontana Pharmacy. As you guys saw earlier, I was at dinner. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show a lot of stuff because of course you guys saw that inside was dark, But the food was lovely, of course. Remember, I told you guys like that's my favorite restaurant. The wings was great. Drinks, they never miss. Was the drinks good, girl? Okay, they're not eerie, yo.
Always, it's always good.
Okay, so we're in Fontana now and we're just looking for something. Won't say because it's private, but thank you guys so much for watching and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks, bye. What do they have? Skittles. Okay guys, this is 2 ounce of candy in Candy Craze in Fontana, 2.2 ounce, and this is $506. Me, I would never, let me quote again, I would never purchase any candy. Look at this, $506. Over $500? Nope, that's not gonna happen.
Me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiéndote.